Hi there. Welcome to this space where your voice finds its true power. If you've ever felt your heart racing at the thought of presenting, or if speaking in front of an audience makes you sweat or shake, you're not alone. It's not just the spotlight that can turn confident presenters into a bundle of nerves. The real challenge often lies in communicating effectively, especially when English isn't your first language. But imagine for a moment speaking with such confidence and clarity that your audience hangs on your every word. Whether it's in a boardroom, a virtual meeting, or at a conference, you want your message to land and inspire. That's where I come in. I'm Melanie Hussell, a communication coach with over 16 years corporate experience, and I'm here to guide you through the maze of public speaking. Using my business English learning strategies, I provide individual and group coaching, online courses, and fun interactive workshops, all designed to elevate your communication skills regardless of your role, English level, or accent. Check out my services page for more information. Where do you want most support? Mastering the nuance of language, or enhancing your presentation skills? I can also help you create engaging slides, modulate your voice, or put power into your body language. You can choose my 12-module Persuasive Presentations program, or just the essentials, plus my brand new Think Visually slide design course. These can be combined with personalised coaching and my innovative AI speech coaching app. Take a look at the testimonials page, where you'll see how I've worked with individuals across Europe, the US, and Africa, transforming their fears into articulate voices. It's not just about speaking, it's about sharing your expertise and making a bigger impact for you and your organisation. Ready to change the way you communicate, to inspire and drive change? If the answer's yes, let's embark on this journey together. Sign up to an online course or book a short informal call to explore how you can make an impact with confidence and clarity. You absolutely deserve it.